Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use Audacity to create caption files. Start by importing your audio. Open Audacity, then go to File, Import, Audio, or just drag and drop your audio file right into the editor. To add a caption, select the part of the audio you want to label. By selecting Edit, Labels, Add Label, then just type your caption in the label box. The shortcut option to add the label track along with the label box is Ctrl B. Using this shortcut, you can type your captions. Then, for adjusting the timings, you can simply drag the edges of the label to match the audio. Double-click any label to edit the text, or use the label editor for more precise control. Once it is done, go to File, Export Others, Export Labels. You can save your captions depending on what you need. If you're using Audacity version 3.7.3 or higher, you can export directly to .vtt or .srt. Older versions only support .txt. Let's look at the final output. Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use Audacity to create caption files. And that's it. A simple way to create captions using Audacity. Great for making your audio content more accessible and LMS ready. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.